Yandra Vanaka, come make lunch with me while living in Fiji. Now I take a 10-minute walk to where all the farms are. I found some wild rourou, which are taro leaves, by the river, so I'm cutting those down and bringing them back home. Next, I'm peeling and washing some cassava that my Momo gifted me the other day, giving the rourou a nice saltwater bath to get all the dirt off. Next, I'm going to simmer the leaves in coconut milk and add some okra. Here's the rourou and the cassava boiling on the stovetop. Here's the finished product with salt and coconut milk on top. Some people like to add roquete and mole, but I don't have any, so I am just eating it with some salt.